Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And you can also give a little donation while you're at it. Anyhow, I hope you guys had a great week. Let's catch up with all the news, starting with Shenseea. Shenseea deserves her flowers. I know a lot of people felt that Romeich pushed Shenseea on us. It doesn't matter. She's still talented. You know, she had the fight. She work with such man, and from she work with such man, it come like sometimes she's salt with certain people. Either way, she puts in the work. She's a mother and she's putting in the work, you know, and I have to give her flowers. Congratulations, Shenseea, for working with Mariah Carey and being on her album and credited as a writer on her album. This is amazing news, people. You don't know what this does to dancehall as a whole. She is doing more than many men that are claiming that they should be king or are king. That's just the facts. Period. And she needs to get credited because women in dancehall struggle, and when they do great, we should celebrate. Anyhow, she's been featured in Forbes magazine, which is huge. This is what rich people read, and Rolling Stones magazine, which is the top musical publication there is. So big up Shenseea for putting Jamaica on the map again. And you know what? I'll see you Friday in Toronto. Big up on herself. Now let's listen to some of the track and hear what she had to say. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and donate.
I'ma keep it neat, I'ma keep it sugar, I'ma keep it sweet, I'ma keep it nice, neat, sugar. It's like that, y'all. I can take it in the line with the cream on the side, I'ma keep it nice, I'ma keep it sweet, I'ma full of sugar. Come get a rush from me. I got what you like, what you wanna beat.
Not a collab this time. I was actually not gonna put on no more collabs, but I could not turn down Mariah Carey. Are you crazy? I said, you know what? After Shake It to the Max being so successful, and Asian Tape Remix, because I'm truly a fan of that song, I say, I'm not drop no more collab. Like, I'm no good now on collabs. But then Mariah linked me. I'm like, I'm sorry. Y'all gonna have to watch me feature on somebody else's song again and kill it again.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And you can also give a little donation while you're at it. Anyhow, I hope you guys had a great week. Let's catch up with all the news, starting with Shenseea. Shenseea deserves her flowers. I know a lot of people felt that Romeich pushed Shenseea